If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today everyone? I hope you're all doing great out there today. In this video, I am demonstrating the conclusion of this 5-minute trade I had going here on the Euro USD pair here. This trade was based off an anticipated bounce from the price action zone present at this strike here. You will see on the recent candle activity there was some support action or bullish sentiment presented here with a previous long wick candle bouncing at this level previously. This, when paired with the overall bullish upward trend on the higher time frames, made for a solid area of confluence, leading to multiple signals aligning in my favor here. 4 seconds remain. Excellent, a fantastic short-term profit there. Not bad for a 5-minute trade. I use this same approach often when combined with more technical indicators to find trade setups just like this on a daily basis. If you don't know how to find trade setups that work for you and your goals, then consider learning more about my Informed Trader's educational package down in the description below, where I cover my strategy in a more detailed but straightforward multi-video series for how I look for price action or support and resistance areas, in addition to the useful indicators I use for finding these more confident trade entries. If you would rather get started with trading now, you are welcome to learn about my shadow trading program, where you will get access to anytime I enter or exit a trade from Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This means for 5 days a week you'll get alerted when I make another trade like this. Be sure to read more on the TradeFront.net website by visiting the Shadow Trading Program tab or by clicking the link in the description below. Remember, whether you are new to trading or planning to trade a new strategy, always be sure to paper trade or use a demo account for testing your strategy. Risk management and capital preservation will always prevail as being most important for longevity when trading, especially in derivatives markets such as what we do here with trading binary options. I hope you are all having a great day out there. I appreciate you all stopping by. Be sure to like and subscribe for more to stay up to date with new videos and other trading breakdowns. Be safe, and I will see you all next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.